I love all this down here. What I'm going to try to do is put some more of these colors up here and re-blow it. Let's see what happens. I'm not even going to put very much because there's still quite a bit of paint up there. Okay. Boy, my hands have really gotten paint on them. All right, let's go down with these colors again. Okay. Put a healthy dollop of our black down there. Shell activator. And I might have to pull these gloves off or I'm going to completely demolish my poor hairdryer. Let's see if we can salvage this. Somehow, some way. I'm not even going to try to save these gloves. I think they've had it. All right, let's try to blow out the top. Now, I'm not terribly unhappy with that, except that I got a gloopa. My hairdryer got in the middle of it there, so that might screw things up a little bit. I'll put on a fresh pair of gloves before I tilt. If I can get enough paint off of this canvas, I might salvage this. We'll just have to see. I've lost most of this down here anyway, but I might be able to revive it. I'm kind of wanting to blend some of this down in here with the other. And I gotta move it off of these corners up here. I think I'm gonna have to spin it a little bit. I like how that is staying fixed up there. This is getting a little wonky down in here, but I gotta get it off the edges. That's helping. Okay, let's tilt it this way to help get it off of there. It's going. Man, I'm so close, but that's good. It's looking pretty good, actually. Oh man, I just like the slightest bit. It is nearly there, and I am loving this. Gone. Wow. Now, I'm just digging it, guys. I am digging it so much. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad that I decided to do that. Now, this does look more landscapey because I don't want to drip paint on it. I've got a definite division between land, this being representative of the land, and the upper part representative of a sky. Even though they're all in the same color palette, I'm just really, really digging it because there's a lot of, it's darker down here, and then you've got your light spots up here. It's great. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the way that this big design here in the middle stayed together. And I love the big boulder effects down here. I think the piece will stand up from a few feet back from it. And that's what I like to see. I have been noticing lately in my blooms that when you wind up with just a little congregation of little bitty cells, which are real pretty up close, but when you get back from them, they disappear. The piece won't hold up its design. So I've been lately aiming for pieces, and stretching it like this will really help, that have big cells in them. boulder type things. So when you step back from the painting, you can still see those. You don't have to be right up on top of it to get the design. So I think this turned out really, really good. I'm just touching up the corners a bit. I hope I took enough paint off. I'm not measuring it, so, because I really don't want to stretch it out much further. I'm hoping this dries up really, really nice and maintains this shape, because I'm pretty crazy about it. It is a really pretty little piece, if I do say so myself. Okay, well, I'm gonna wait for this to dry up, and then we will do a flyby and see how the dried results turned out. Well, thank you for hanging in with me this long. I was determined to try not to quit on it. Okay, we'll see you in the dry results. Here are the dried results. And you guys, I am so pleased with how this dried. It really, I love the big boulder cells in it from the stretching. And it's landscapey. I like that. That's what I was going for. And yeah, these boulder cells that diminish in size in the distance there. And I've got a definite horizon line. I just love how it turned out. And it really held up well through the drying process. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing more of these. See you later.